Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay and also let me know how are you guys spending the long weekend. Did you go out yesterday or how is it? I could see many vacation pictures obviously. So I know slowly we started to open up yesterday. What's it like? I think my first big it what is like outing to a place where it is like so crowded, but being without mask felt so different sometimes. The power of brain, that's why I always talk about when someone tries a new color or new what is it like a new thing, anything like a haircut or anything. The brain takes time to accept it because it always has its own what is it like a picture in your mind. Hi Shobna, thank you Shobna, you looked so gorgeous yesterday. What is it like, my phone is like in its dying mode seriously, but I didn't want to get a new one. I'm trying to extend as much as possible. As you all know, even I broke the screen already twice. I changed the battery once. Mine is still an 8 plus, which I got almost when I started the business, and so far 3.5 years this is the same phone I use. But so I have to put it in power saver mode, so I couldn't be online much yesterday. But your picture was so gorgeous, like the ikat was like stealing the show, so it was so nice. And thank you so much. Thank you Nitya for joining, and thank you so much for posting the picture every day. I hope to see you today too. Thank you so much Da. And that's what, like, so yesterday without the we still took the mask, but being what is it like a theme park, nobody wore mask. But it felt so different for the brain to see people and accept it, because it has been looking at them with the mask for the past 1.5 years or so. So it was like, I think slowly we got warmed up and started enjoying. So it was really fun day. The weather was so nice. It was not so hot. I was thinking like I'll be completely tan today, and you can literally see it, but luckily it was not. And as usual, when I came back, I just washed my face, and I even did the what is it like detox mask, and I went to bed, because that way, being outside, whatever I had it on, it will pull out all the junks while I was sleeping. So that way I don't get much tan. So that's the trick I did for yesterday. And today I think the first series is ending. This is the 13th anniversary sari that I wore last year. So with this, the anniversary saris are getting over, so I need to move to a new series. I need to get ready from tomorrow. So but 5 days is gone out of the 31, so which is good. So we have 26 more days to go, but I'm really excited. The first week I could see so many of you guys, so it was really nice, because everyone said we all needed a little push to get ready, because as I said, even yesterday, it was literally like a push for me, because even though I like going out and all, these 1.5 years, that too after Cloudy came, I became so stagnant. Like, I didn't step out much at all. I was in my comfort zone, and I don't want to step out. That's how I was. But going out was really fun. Yesterday I had a lot of fun with friends. And for today, what I did was, it was if you see the blouse, it has more of a pinkish gold tone to it. So what I did, even for my eye look, I'm what is it like, I aimed my colors around it. So like yesterday, since it's a pink tone, I used mulberry as my base color, and then I went with desert rose, the all-time favorite of everyone's color. But you know how many times I've used, and you can still see the color is almost there, the bottle is almost full. So with Shadow Sense, that's the beauty of it. You have tons of products in each one of them, and you will use it in most ways. Like, you can use it as a blush, you can use it as your eye color, and you can use it in your lip color too. So Desert Rose, if you are new to Shadow Sense, if you are new to eye colors, then Desert Rose will be such a easy one for you to do. What I did was, I did it all over the lid, but to get that goldish bronzy tone, I mixed copper rose shimmer on all over, so that way I get like a dual tone how the blouse is. So that's the same thing I did. So copper rose shimmer again will go beautifully on our skin tone, and if you are someone who likes to get ready and just have like a bronzy golden tone, because as you know, most of our sarees will have gold in them, so that way copper rose shimmer will really look really nice, and it will be very subtle shimmer. So that's the one I used on top. And I always like to not just leave as it is, I like to smoke out a little bit. So I used burgundy in my outer corners and also on my crease, and I used the black brown pencil as my eyeliner, because so far I think I have used Onyx black liquid liner, all those. So today for a change I used the pencil, and I even made it a little bit of wing, and I have also used the same in my waterline. Brown with pink is one of my favorite combinations, so that's the one I did. Since I did that kind of a bronzy gold, I wanted to replicate the same on my lip instead of going all pink. So what I did is I did use a color called Amber Spice, which is almost a brownish bronzy shade. So I used 2 layers of that to give that base color, and just used 1 layer of Summer Treat, which is a watermelon shade. So it's a very, I think Shobna used Summer Treat yesterday, so it struck to my mind immediately, so I picked Summer Treat. So if you can see, it is like 2 completely different tones that I wanted to mix to give that like slight bronzy feel to the lips. And then I topped it with the sparkling champagne gloss. So I always like to play around with what I'm wearing, because that will easily give you an idea on how you pick the colors or how you mix and match the colors. Because if I have to go with all pink, then I will do the reverse. That way the pink will pop more instead of the gold. So basically even though the colors are totally different, when you mix and match, they complement each other anytime. So that's the one I used. And I just used a statement earring. If you I don't know how many of you were there that time, like it was, I won it in competition, like they had to post a picture, and we all you all voted, so I won it with what is that called? I seriously blank out these days sometimes. So I won a earring, and also I won a complete set. I think earring also came with it, if I'm not wrong. No, yeah, this earring is extra, I believe. So she also gave me yeah, Shobna, it's a Summer Treat is like I think it was described as watermelon pink, but it will suit our skin tone so much, and even with 1 layer it will look really bright, and it will put together. And I used Firefly as a blush. You can use even the Desert Rose itself. Firefly is unfortunately a sold out pearlizer. Since I wanted Desert Rose will have all pink, whereas Firefly will have like a pinkish golden tint to it. So that's why I used that for my blush today, and I just wore a simple bracelet to match with it. So that's the look for the today's 5th day look. And thank you so much for whoever picked up that promo for $150. I can't wait to see what colors you are going to get. So let's post it once we receive it. And what else is the announcement for today? As I said, this week I will change the sarees, and if you can join, that would be really great. And I still have to make a video on the lip mask, overnight lip mask, and the new Glow Duo, which is like an orangish eyeshadow with the orange lip gloss. That's coming for the first impression, so that I will be doing sometime this week if I can. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and have a wonderful Monday. See you all soon.